Hey guys, welcome back to Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain about how you can verify your identity in the Google AdSense or Admob account. So this is a new process by the Google AdSense or Admob. So once you reach the threshold of $10, you need to verify your identity first, and later on you need to verify your address also. So I will show you in further video how you can verify your address also. I will give you the link in the description, you can check out that. So in this video I will show you how you can verify your identity first. So before going to the video friends, still if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, make sure that you have been subscribed to our channel and click on the bell icon, click on all to get all the notification from our channel.
Sign in with your Gmail account which is linked with the Google AdSense or AdMob account. So once it is done, open the Google AdSense account and click on sign in here. So I already signed in with my Gmail account here, so I will click on sign in, and this is the Google AdSense account friends. So in the above you can see that your payment are currently on hold, so you need to take an action in order to verify your account or in order to get your payment here. So I will, or else you can click on the payment section, and here you can see the option called verification check. Here I will click on the verification check. Also you can return to the old process, you have an option. I will do the new process. So this is a new process whatever I am doing to verify my identity. So I will click on the take action and I will click on the continue here. If you want you can go with the old process also. This is a new process here. So here you have two options over here. You can scan the QR code with your smartphone, or else you can enter the mobile number with your smartphone, so that once you enter the mobile number you will get an unique link to your mobile number. There you can verify your account. Or else if you don't have a smartphone, you have an option over here. So continue with your current device. So you can select anything, you can scan or you can enter the mobile number, or else you can just click on the continue with our browser also, current device also. Before you start, make sure that you have a valid government ID issued by the government. So you need to, at least you need to have one ID like driving license or Aadhaar card. You can use it anything. And also make sure that you have an, like, your camera is not covered, and also you need to take a selfie of it in order to activate your Google AdSense account. Now let's click on let's go. So here first of all you need to allow the permission for your browser. So I will allow it now. So I will click on allow. Click on OK, and here as you can see here there are supported documents here: ID card, passport or driving license. You can use this, and also I will use my ID card to verify my Google AdSense account. So as you can see here, now you need to take a picture of one side, so front side. So I will click on I will take a picture of it and I will click on take photo. So once it is done, you can take the other side of the ID card also. You need to take both the sides, front and back. So make sure that your ID card is clearly visible here. So once it is done, you need to take a selfie. Make sure that, as you can see here, so it's in selfie time. To please make sure that your face is in frame. So once it is done, so it will take all your data. Click on continue. Once it is done, it will take 6 to 7 days of time to verify your identity. Once it is done, you can go to the payment section and you can check here. As you can see here, my identity has been verified. So if you got any error, no need to worry about it. So it will take some time to verify your ID here, and also you will get a confirmation mail also to your registered mail IDs. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.